Today is a Nassau day. Getting ready to port into Nassau. And we're going to do a walking tour. Beautiful day. You see Atlantis in the background. Hey guys! Today we're in Nassau. We're getting ready to dock. We're going to go offshore and do a walking tour and then do some shopping. It's so beautiful here and very warm.
Very nice.
We've had a great cruise so far and we're looking forward to today. As we came into Nassau, it was pre-dawn. We went and ate our breakfast and then we came up to the top of the ship and we watched the boat as it actually docked into Nassau. It's always fascinating to us to stand on the top deck and watch as the ship comes into a dock. And it was beautiful at pre-dawn when we got up on the deck. There were several ships in port the day we were there. They have redone the entire dock at Nassau since we were there 9 years ago. Once we disembarked the ship, we went straight to our 2-hour walking tour, which we'll show you in next week's video. We were quite amazed how our guide could talk and walk backwards all at the same time. He walked us all over Nassau. We learned a lot of history and it was a very interesting tour. You don't want to miss next week's video. As I said before, this whole area has been redone since we were here 9 years ago. All of these buildings are new. And of course, we had to take advantage of the photo opportunities as we walked around the dock, and we made sure to get our passports stamped. That's colorful.
Yeah, both ways.
Oh, it feels so good in here. It was in the 90s and very humid, so we had finished our 2-hour walking tour, so it felt great to come in this air-conditioned store and walk around for a bit. We walked around several stores and we did souvenir shopping before we headed back to the ship. There were a lot of nice little shops here in this area. The last time we were here, they were just like little grass huts that people who sold their wares would come and you could shop here. But now the straw market has been moved across the street. So we made our way over to the straw market. We did our share of walking that day for sure. We walked all over Nassau and then came back and walked all over the straw market. You really have to watch when you cross the street in Nassau because the vehicles pay absolutely no attention to pedestrians. You take your life in your own hands.
Yes, hallelujah. Jesus.
We made our way into the straw market. This is where the local people make their living. They sell things. They rely on tourism. Tourism is their livelihood. We then made our way back over to the ship, and we could see Atlantis across the bay. It was so awesome to see. We were tired and we were hot, and we couldn't wait to get back on the ship. Once we got back aboard ship, we got on the elevator, went up to the 9th floor, went to our room, where we found what we think was supposed to be a bat. We're not sure, but we think so. Then we got ready and went to the hot tub, and look at the view we had from the hot tub. We just wanted to relax and enjoy the view, and we even got some non-alcoholic drinks from the bar so that we could cool down and relax before we got ourselves cleaned up for dinner. Our last dinner on the ship was quite lively. For my entree, I got the turkey and dressing meal. It was served with corn, broccoli, carrots, and pureed sweet potatoes. Keith got the spaghetti bolognese. I had gotten that the first night, and it was so good. He loved it as well. For dessert, I got the brownie topped with ice cream and caramel corn, and it had a caramel drizzle on it as well. And Keith got a strawberry parfait. Our food was absolutely delicious on this cruise.
Wasn't it great as we began to suffer? Touching hands, we got along.
This was a super fun experience for our last night aboard ship. They made dinner really special. Then we went for a walk on the promenade. This was a bar they had in the promenade that several times a day would make its way up to one of the top floors, leaving underneath it a beautiful waterfall. You could make reservations to sit in it as it made its climb. It was absolutely gorgeous. We then went to the solarium so that we could watch the beautiful sunset. Then, after darkness, we went up and walked around the boardwalk. It was so beautiful after dark with all the lights. This really truly was a beautiful ship. Don't miss next week's video as we take our walking tour around Nassau. If you would like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen.